Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to update your display driver adapter easily. The first step is going to the start menu and right click and select device manager. Select this option, device manager. In the new pop-up window, select display adapter and browse for your graphics card model. No? Right click and select update driver. The first option, search automatically for drivers. Select the first option. One click, and if you receive any wizard or setup, click on next, install, and close. To apply the change, I recommend restart your computer. Click on the start menu, select power, and click on restart. The second option is open up the start menu and select any browser, Microsoft Edge, Firefox. In this case, I use Google Chrome, and go to google.com and type or search for NVIDIA drivers download for your graphics card. Select nvidia.com, the first option, official drivers of NVIDIA. Type in the search bar, open it up, and select system information. One click or hit enter. You browse in this list your graphics card model or integrated card model. Search in this list of your hardware and select your model. In this case, I select NVIDIA RTX. Select what version, any version. Select RTX one option, whatever, and very important, select your Windows version in Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you need browse your architecture in this option, in my case 64 bytes. Open up the start menu, right click and select system, and the info of your processor is here. In my case is 64. Download type and your language, and select search. You receive one list of possible solutions and click on download and agree and download, and click on next, install in your exe file. Other option is select for your automatically search press F5 or recharging your page, and select the gray option here. The gray option, graphics driver, automatic tool detection, automatic tool or auto detect. Select this option and click here, and wait for your download, and you receive the info of your graphics card, and next install, or go to the driver section in the tap on top button and select download now, automatic driver update. Select your version, in my case is this option, and select this option and download, start search. If you receive any button of download, click here and run the result, the setup. Right click and select next install. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.